Convert your Windows Live Mail EML files to PST format. Firstly, users have to install this Mailvita EML to PST Converter tool in their system. This application can be used in any of the Mac as well as Windows operating system. Now, let us go through the steps. Select the EML files that you want to convert. You can choose your choice mode to convert the EML files. After selecting the mode, click on the Browse button to search your choice files. A preview will be generated of all the selected EML files. Now, select the destination to save your converted EML files by clicking on the Browse button. Click on the Convert button. If you face any kind of problem, you can click on this button. Also, if you want to buy the product, click on the Buy Now button. By following these steps, a user can convert their EML files to PST format. Thank you.